What's going on, sneaker gang, man? What's going on, sneaker family? You got your boy Quan the Don coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. And today your boy got something special delivered today, man. I'm pretty excited about it, man. I didn't think these was gonna get here so soon, but they actually did. And by my surprise, them babies was at my doorstep, you heard? But anyway, before we get into this unboxing and this live reaction, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as ringing that notification bell to stay up to date with your boy latest videos, man. But without further ado, we're gonna get into the unboxing and the review. All right, so I didn't think these was gonna come anytime soon. They was actually giving dates of the 28th. And that's what I was showing. So a lot of stores was also saying that they wasn't going to do a re-release on them or put them up onto the apps until the 28th. So I thought that's just like doing a pre-order, but it was a draw, but sort of like a pre-order, if you understand what I'm saying. But to my surprise, I got a notification of them being shipped, but it still was showing the 28th. And as far as like the delivery, like I couldn't see the updates, it wasn't showing nothing. And it just appeared at my doorstep. My next notification was that. But let me stop rambling. Let me get into the unboxing, man. So you young ones, you know, I got the handy knife. You young ones, don't try this at home. Get your parents to do your unboxings or whatever. If you need help with that, do not try this at home using no knife. You heard? For real. All right, but as you can see, we gotta go through the Just Take It tape. You know what I'm saying? They call this the Just Do It. I call this the Just Take It tape, because anybody see that Nike tape, that infamous Nike tape, there's gonna be some problems. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. So we don't care about this. We don't care about this part, man. We don't care about this. We want the shoes. We don't care about the box. We want the shoes, man. We want the shoes, baby. All right, so y'all, I'm about to do it. I'm about to take them out. You dig? I'm about to take them out. And I ain't gonna look. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? Clean or wet? I'm not looking at the camera. My head turned away. Clean or wet? All right. Okay. So I'm gonna take it out. I ain't looking at it. I'm gonna take it out. I ain't looking at it, but I'm about to. Ooh. Damn. Yo. These are smooth, man. These are smooth, yo. Oh, Lord. It can never be perfect for your boy. Like, man. These are smooth. They clean, man. They clean. I noticed a little something on mine. They ain't gonna focus on that, man. Let me see. It's a little something on mine, man. I don't like that. See that there? It's like a little brown stain. Like, hey, I could never be lucky. So I'm definitely glad I have them in my collection. That suede is crazy. It's like a suede, like a really rough suede. It's real thick, man. It's like a suede, and then they took something across it and scraped it. It's basically like a suede, and it's like they over erased it. You ever heard of those erase brushes for suede? It's like they over, I don't know how to explain it, man, but you gotta have them in person to actually see what I'm talking about. But definitely a dope shoe, in my humble opinion. Oh my God, man. Check these out, man. So I'm really guessing like this area was definitely a hyper royal area as well. Like it was hyper royal, but it's just like really, it looked like it's sanded, you know what I'm saying? So that's what gives it that dull faded look. But I'm pretty sure this is like a hyper royal as well. So it's a hyper royal blue, but then you have those touches of the the stitching really sets it off, man. So that stitching really sets it off, that royal blue stitching, man. I love that. That hyper royal stitching. Air Jordan logo, all white there. You got this here, this area right here, around that ankle collar. That's gray, so it's like a tumbled, I wouldn't say yeah, it's sort of like a tumbled material. So like a tumbled material, and then as well as on that Nike check as well, really soft as well. A nice soft leather. It feels really good. Feels really good, man. This leather actually feels better than the rest of the shoe, to be honest. The rest of the shoe, I can't say the quality is that great on the shoe. I mean, the leather is not the worst. Don't get me wrong, the leather is not the worst. So let me see, let me touch these because I always touch them. Okay, so the leather quality is better than the mochas. I can say that. The leather quality on these is better than the mochas, but they don't light a candle to the University Blues, man, as far as the leather. But they still soft. Stay soft to the touch. And you can just see. You can just see how that thing press in. Know what I'm saying? Alright, let me turn this down here a bit. It's real nice. It's soft, man. It's really soft. So, definitely a dope shoe, man. I'm glad I got my pair in. I'm definitely glad I got my pair in, man. I'm excited, yo. I'm excited to just throw these into the collection. I ain't gonna wear them for a while, not gonna lie. But they dope, man. So you got your gray outsoles as well to match those. That gray ankle collar on the top. Regular white nylon tongue, nothing special. White toe box. So I mean, obviously you got the Chicago color blocking. You know, we already know about that. And these would definitely be sort of, I would say, in the same category as the turbo greens. Definitely a dope shoe, man. I'm happy with the shoe, man. So this is more of an unboxing. Really wasn't too much of a review. You know what I'm saying? I don't really get into detailed reviews on my channel. I just really do my unboxings and you can get a look at it. You feel me? And just I'm flattered. I'm not gonna lie. Then you got those blue laces to set it off. So I think I'm gonna do the blue. Definitely gonna do the blue, man, to bring some more of that blue out. Oh yeah, and on the tongue, you got your blue Nike tag right there. White Nike logo imprinted. Definitely clean, man. But I do hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep on dropping these videos, man. We're gonna keep on dropping these videos. I got another pair that's coming, actually. Not these, but I got another sneaker I'm gonna be doing a review on. Another pair that I missed out on, and I had to pay retail for, man. But hey, it is what it is, man. You win some, you lose some. You can't win them all, man. You can't win them all. But stay tuned for that Hyper Royal versus the University Blue video, man. As I said, as I always say, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love. Sticky family, I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul. Quick game. All right, until the next one, man. Peace.